You'll be okay, Kara. Don't worry. It's not hitting you that hard. You're fine.
No. My knees are really numb. It's like they're peanut butter. I can't feel them. It's like I don't have knees anymore. They're gone. They're just all squishy right here.
Kara, I hold my breath. It's like they're peanut butter. They're sore and squishy like peanut butter.
It's just the feeling in my knees. It's like it's all squishy feeling. Like there's warm peanut butter right here. But I don't have kneecaps. My knees are just
Peanut butter.
peanut butter caps.
Kara.
Who's Churchill?
Never give
I
up.
always thought you eyed my poops.
They're like my cigar.
You wish.
They're longer than my cigar.
Ugh.
Yuck. How are those peanut butter kneecaps? Are they okay? Okay. Are you gonna get like that one time where you didn't say anything? You just marched back to my house.
No, I was in a different place. I was outside. And
I
I was
know.
cold, so
You were determined. You
I
had one thing you wanted.
I had
It was
a
to not be
I
outside.
had a set goal that night. There's no set goal, so I won't be alone.
Okay.
Do you have a bobby pin with me? Like right now?
I'm not seeing one.
I see a bobby pin. I want to get one.
If I want to go get one, not really.
But can we get one for the sake of all marijuana?
What? For the sake of all the marijuana. Say it like it's a place or something.
It's not a place. Got a bobby pin.
I'm trying to tear off a piece of the box so you can use it.
No, just get me a
No
bobby
one
pin.
wants it. You
Go get it in front of the door.
You're really welcome.
Oh, thanks.
It was hard. Harder than I thought it would be.
Like
You're
you have
welcome.
done this country right on.
Oh. The country of what? Marijuana?
Marijuana.
Marijuana. Marijuana. Is that what it's called?
No.
No. Did you sit down? I am sitting. I'm not good at balancing though. Carol, look at me like that.
I'm sitting on my feet.
I'll sit on my butt.
Well-
You really want it. This is like the determined part. There, you have a goal.
Did you say chumming?
No. I said, Kara, do you have a goal?
Wait, what did you say before that? I heard
I didn't say chummy.
chumming. Chumming.
Was that a character?
Chumming? I thought that's what you said.
No.
See, I heard. This is what I heard. I heard you say, is this the chumming part, Kara? Is this where you have a goal? You said chumming like it was an adjective. Chumming. C-H-U-M-M.
So this is it,
I
Sunny. This is it, Sunny.
I heard chumming.
Well, now we know. Do you have a goal to finish this? Finish this race?
Yes, we should.
Okay. We're in the Olympics. We're totally into the great country of marijuana.
Right now we are chumming.
Good chum, good buddy, good friend of mine. This is what it's all about. Thank you, chum. Chumberini. Chumbaroo. What's in it for you? What does that mean?